Good afternoon. My name is Mrs. Aletia Navarro, and I would like to show you how to use RAS Plus in correlation to UFly. So I am going to go here and log into my account. Now here on RAS Plus, I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to bring it up closer. You're going to see that we have menu and learning A to Z. And now that they've changed things around, we have on the corner, we have RAS Plus and Foundations A to Z. So for RAS Plus, you go to RAS Plus. You're going to go down to Core Programs and Assessment Correlations, and you're going to click on that. Then it'll take you here to Core Programs, Curriculum, and Assessment Correlations. You're going to drop down on the drop box and scroll down until you find UFly, UFly Foundations. Now, as you can see, it opens to a tab with all the corresponding books and worksheets that correspond with the UFly lessons. Now, I am going to select Lesson 2, and I am going to assign a book to a file. So I'm going to add this to my file, and what I do is I make up a file with several books and then assign all the materials in that file to my students. So I'm going to add this to a file. As you can see, I have under my resources, I set up a folder for UFly, and I have folders for each lesson. So I'm going to put it in Lesson 2, of course, and I'm going to scroll down and say Add Resource. Now that I've opened that folder, I can add other books as well by scrolling down and hitting the little plus that says Add. And then I'm going to add this story. And then I'm going to save. And just so you can see how this works, I could either save and close this so I had it for a future lesson. But since I've already covered Lesson 2 in UFly, I'm going to say save and assign. And I'm going to go up so you cannot see my names. But I would select all my students, just so you know. And I'm going to keep going up. You're going to see my classroom. And I'm going to select a start date for today because it won't let me go back. And I'm going to give them a week to read those 3 books. Now, I'm going to come back here so you can see it. And I have now assigned them. And I can track the assignments on assignment progress. And that's how I can assign books. Now, for Reading A to Z, when a student signs into their RAS Kids account, there will be an assignment bubble, and that'll have their assigned books. Now, for the other one, which is Explore Zone, I can also assign them correlating activities for Explore Zone. So I go to Foundations A to Z. I'm going to go down here to Correlations. And once again, I have my drop box that I find UFly. And I'm going to select UFly. And as you see, there's once again, the lessons that correspond. We did Lesson 15, and it said Short U. So I've already assigned this, but I'm going to show you what I did. I go to Assign here. This is all the different activities they can do. So I'm going to go here, and I say Assign.